Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh. Welcome, brothers and sisters. I hope that you are well. For me, alhamdulillah. In this video, I will show you how to edit video in your Android application. Yes, you can now, inshallah, edit the video in your Android application. But before to start, I will tell you to not edit the big video in the Android application because it takes a lot of memory. Okay? So for this example, I will edit the video with a short time. Okay? And I recommend you to not add a lot of video to your application. So you can edit them online. It's correct, no problem. But don't add a lot of resources because it will take a lot of memory, and no one will download your application. Okay, so let's start. So for this, I have created a new Android application with video demo, and the first thing is to add the component that manage the video, and it is called video view. Drag and drop. Okay, I will put here match parent. Okay, it's good. Now I will just put it like this. ID. Oops. Okay. And now, to manage this video, the first thing is to add the video in your application. The first thing is the first step. So for this, you will create, I put it here, you will create a video folder that is called raw inside the rest folder. How to make it? Just go to the Android Studio, here, make the right click, and choose, to make it easy, choose Open Show in Explorer. Okay, it depends of your language, of course. Show in Explorer. I have it here, and I will add it inside it the raw folder. Raw. In this folder, I will add my video. So my video, it is in, where is it? In test. No, it is here. Forest. Copy. Oops. What is the problem? Sorry. I will open it again. Not this. Where is the video? Video. Okay. So copy. Can I put it here? Yes, passed. Test. After this, I will open a raw. RS show in Explorer. It's problem with my Windows Explorer, not with the Android application or anything. So I'll just close my Explorer to remove the latest command. So RS raw, it is raw here, rename raw. It's a new folder, and I put here my file. So forest, copy, and paste. Okay, I will come back now to my Android Studio. As you can see, I have the raw file with the forest, with the file forest.mp4. Now, to manage or to use the video, I will use the component image view. Sorry, a video view. video, and get or find view by ID r.id.video view. And if you have an error, remember, just cast or convert it to video view. Okay, now I have the component, but I don't have the file in this component. I don't have a real file. For me, it's forest.mp4. So to add the file to my component video view, I just put like this: video.set video path. And here I will put this constant. I have make it here Android. The resource, it means it will search your file from resource of your Android application. After this, in which package does exist? After this, added this character, and here added air.not id now, not id. Okay, if you make id, you will get nothing, but you will add the raw folder and the name of your file. It's for me forest. Now, to make the video start or play, you must add this instruction now. Start method. Okay, like this. Here, video dot start. It's very easy. Now let's see the result. I hope that it works, inshallah. I think also, I hope that the length of video doesn't big, because if you choose, I think I can choose it, but I got an out of memory. If I choose the video that's very long, I got an out of memory. Okay, let's see now. Like, I will start again, because as you can see, the video start and play very good. Okay, now what is the next step? I will add the button control to my video. For this, I will use this component or this class, control video media controller. Okay, so for this, the first thing I will create it here, media controller, but import, where I import it, it's from widget. Okay, it's good, because sometimes we have another media controller maybe in other package. Then be careful to import it from Android.widget from media controller. So controller equals new media controller, and here in this context, it means I use the controller in this context, in this screen. After this, I will add the component to this media controller, and the controller to this to the component media video view. How to make it? Just like this, controller dot with this method set anchor view. Okay, I have put it here, I think. Yes, to manage the video. So I put here, and here I have the video. And to control the video, I make also the same thing with the video set media controller with controller. Okay, now let's see the result. I must drink some water. As you can see, here is the media controller. I can pause, I can resume again, I can come back. Okay, it's very easy. We have in this course, so this video I have shown you how to edit a video in your application. Remember, don't edit big video, because if you want to edit big video, big size, you get a lot of memory, a lot of time. So with this instruction here, in this constant, in this parameter, you can put the online video. Here it's a local video, but you can put online video. Google it. How you found how to edit here the online video. It's the same thing, it's very easy. And I have showed you how to start the video, and also how to control your video step by step. Thank you so much, brothers and sisters, to follow this course. See you for the next video, inshallah, where I show you the next topic, and it is about audio, how to add a file audio to your application. Take care, both of you, sorry. See you to the next video, inshallah. Goodbye. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.